In this quick and simple tutorial, we'll learn how to get our WhatsApp link and share it with a friend or family member. So getting our link is pretty simple, and the process is the same on both iPhone and Android devices. The very first step that we'll do is to open the WhatsApp application on our device, and the app doesn't have a specific option that allows us to copy our WhatsApp link, so we'll use a little trick to manually generate the link. All we have to do is to open a conversation with a person with whom we would like to share our link. You can do this in WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, or any other messaging platform, it really doesn't matter. Then we need to type the following: wa.me/ and then enter your WhatsApp phone number after the slash. And you have to make sure to enter the country code also. So enter the country code with a plus, then your WhatsApp phone number, and you can send that into the conversation. That will be your WhatsApp link, and when you send it to someone and the person clicks on the link, it will open a conversation with you in WhatsApp, and they can start messaging you in the app and have a conversation with you. That's how you can get your WhatsApp link. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.